finished product first. We're building French cleats for the garage workshop. So we're using the bandsaw for this one because we don't have a table saw. Just got the table of the bandsaw set at 45 degrees. Not bad overall. Of course, on a table saw it would be a lot cleaner, but we don't have one to use. We make do. So you've got that 45-degree lip at the top now, nice and clean. So that's what we use against the wall to hook things onto. So we're just cutting to size. So the left-hand side will attach to the wall. And the other side there, that's just what we're going to be attaching to the rack or whatever we're making. That just hooks on like so. For these rails, we're just going to countersink the holes. We just want the heads of the bolts to sit below the level of the surface. Attach to the wall. So now that that's up and nice and secure, let's have a look at how the system works. So you've got two 45-degree angles. They simply slot together, lock into place, and they're very sturdy. They can also slide from side to side. So for the system overall, as well as that top piece of timber to hook onto, you'll need some sort of surface to attach to. Could be like this. You can see there's a bit of flex, so we also need another piece of timber that sits underneath, which is the same width as that top piece of timber. In this case, it's about 19 mil. When that's at the bottom, you've got a very sturdy surface here. So just attach this together just for a quick demo. This is just a temporary solution. As you can see, you've got the rail at the top that hooks on. And you just drop it into place. You've got plenty of different options for building things to hook onto this French cleat system, and we'll take a look at some of those in future videos. But for this one, this is something you could attach tools to possibly, but we're going to be taking this apart anyway, as we only made it just for the video demonstration. This is how easy a French cleat system can be to make, so I encourage you to give it a go, and they're always removable and adjustable. That's the French cleat system. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. Hope you enjoy.